In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change residential address on Amazon for digital purchases. This is especially useful if you're moving, traveling long term, or need your digital content like Kindle books, apps, or Prime Video to reflect the correct country or region. Changing the address in your digital settings helps Amazon match you with the right store and content availability. First, sign into your Amazon account. Make sure you're using the account where you actually buy digital content and avoid entering any sensitive details on screen. Once you're signed in, head to Account and Lists at the top of the page and select Account. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first and then tap Account. Both routes take you to the same place. Here you'll see a variety of options. Scroll until you find the section labeled Digital Content and Devices. This is where Amazon groups settings for things like Kindle, Audible, apps, and video. Tap on Devices to enter the area that manages your digital ecosystem. Inside this page, look for the Preferences section. It may appear as a tab or a link across the top. Just switch over to Preferences. Now find Country Region Settings and click Change. This is the specific control that tells Amazon which regional storefront your digital content should use. When the form opens, you can enter your new address. Type in your street, city, state, or region, postal code, and country as they appear for your new location. Use accurate, real details to avoid issues with content availability. If you're switching countries, note that some titles, subscriptions, or apps vary by region, and Amazon may require a payment method that matches your new country. That's normal and part of how the storefronts work. After you've entered your new address, click Update. Give the page a moment to process. In many cases, your account will switch over right away. Sometimes it can take a short while for changes to reflect across all your devices. If you use a Kindle, Fire TV, or other Amazon device, you may need to sync or restart the device for the updated region to show correctly. And there you have it. You now know how to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases. This simple update helps ensure you see the right store, pricing, and content for your location. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.